Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you in a super quick way how to add a cooler sky to your rendering using V-Ray for SketchUp. Remembering that the default V-Ray sky is this bluish sky with a dark band, and it's not very interesting for your renders, right? So for this, we're going to use a tool called Dome Light, and we'll have to see if the V-Ray Light toolbar is activated. When you install V-Ray, it comes along with three others. So I'll go to the top tab View, Toolbars, scroll all the way down and check if V-Ray Lights is activated. It's the only colorful little bar that V-Ray has. We're going to use the Dome Light then, whose icon is a dome and it simulates the sky in your render. Just click on the Dome Light tool then and click anywhere in your project and the sky will already be applied. When adding the dome light, it's important to turn off the sunlight, otherwise your render also looks strange. I'm going to do a test just so we can see. When rendering, there will be not only the sky, but also the original sun from the rendering. In other words, sometimes the position isn't interesting, so you notice that the sky has a brighter side that doesn't match the sun's direction in SketchUp. So we're going to turn off the sun from the render. It's also very easy. I'll click on the asset editor on the little lamp icon, and in sunlight, I'll click on the little sun icon or on the button below the preview to turn it off. Once that's done, we can then see that when rendering, there will no longer be shadows projected on the ground. We can use this dome light also in a way to better illuminate our file, and we can change the intensity of this light. How am I going to do that? When accessing the asset editor, also at the little lamp, we have the dome light here, and the intensity, which is at 1, I can increase it, for example, to 3 and test it. As I increase the value, the brighter the sky will become. It's very important then that the sky you use doesn't blow out, because it won't look interesting. So 3 is already blown out. Just go back and type, for example, a lower value, 1.5 for example. It's also important for us to know how to rotate this sky to position it, perhaps in a better way in your rendering. By default, if I rotate only the object, the sky will remain in the same position. So we have to activate an item in the dome light configuration called Use Transform. So just check Use Transform right here. Once that's done, I can select my dome light object with the M tool for move and rotate it in the desired direction. Keep in mind that the arrow always points to the brightest side of this light. And then I can run a final test. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll see you in the next lessons.